Today's teaching tip from the Toyota is all about the student who loves to yell out answers in class. They constantly are interrupting other students, talking over other students, yelling out the answers first, interrupting you even before you've got the question out of your mouth. The good thing about these students is that they're engaged. They like school. They want to be there. They are anxious to show what they know. The bad thing is they don't let other students participate and they disrupt the flow of the lesson. So first, start off by acknowledging their participation. Let them know that you're excited that they want to learn, that they have a really honorable trait, that they're engaged in school, and that you can tell that they're a lifelong avid learner. But also let them know that this behavior interrupts the flow of the class and doesn't let other students participate. So give them a whiteboard. Let them write their responses down on the whiteboard and hold it up so that you can see it. That gives you the opportunity to see their answer. It gives them the opportunity to always have the answer, but it also allows you to call on other students in the class. Now, the caveat to that is they have to do it quietly, but you can also reinforce that behavior by keeping tally marks throughout the day about how many times they appropriately waited their turn and rewarding that with some sort of sticker, note home, or some sort of reward system that lets that student know that you recognize that they're trying. So try that, see if it works.